All right, the drink we're about to make is called Caribbean Smuggler. Go ahead and fill up your mixing glass with ice and measure out 1 ounce of dark rum. And we'll follow that up with a ½ an ounce of triple sec. And next we'll add ½ an ounce of orange juice, ½ an ounce of sour mix, and take your shaker, give it a couple shakes just to get everything mixed together. Go ahead and set up your glass and pour in what we have so far. And we're going to leave room at the top for some lemon lime soda. All right, let's pour that in. And use your spoon, give it a quick stir. And we'll garnish it with a cherry and an orange. There we go. Add a straw. And that is a Caribbean Smuggler. Bottoms up.